Imagine a world where intricate designs, once considered impossible to create, are now brought to life with incredible accuracy. This is not a distant dream but a present reality, thanks to the advancements in precision cutting technology. The ability to transform complex blueprints into tangible products with such high fidelity is nothing short of revolutionary. This is the world of wire electrical discharge machining, or Wire EDM, a cutting-edge technology revolutionizing manufacturing. Wire EDM is not just another tool in the manufacturing arsenal, it represents a paradigm shift in how we approach the creation of intricate components. By leveraging the power of electrical discharges, Wire EDM can achieve levels of precision that were previously unattainable. Wire EDM uses an electrically charged wire to cut through conductive materials with unparalleled precision. This process involves a series of rapid electrical discharges between the wire and the material, which erodes the material to form the desired shape. The result is a clean, precise cut that can handle even the most complex geometries. Erodex stands at the forefront of this exciting field, providing high-quality consumables and expertise to empower businesses across the globe. Their commitment to innovation and excellence ensures that companies using Wire EDM can achieve the highest standards of precision and efficiency. Wire EDM is more than just a manufacturing process, it's an enabler of innovation. It opens up new possibilities for engineers and designers, allowing them to create parts and components that were once thought impossible. This technology is not only about cutting materials, but also about cutting through the limitations of traditional manufacturing methods. It allows engineers and designers to push the boundaries of what's possible, crafting complex geometries and intricate details with ease. The precision and versatility of Wire EDM make it an invaluable tool in industries ranging from aerospace to medical devices, where accuracy and reliability are paramount. As we delve deeper into the world of Wire EDM, we'll explore its inner workings, advantages, and the crucial role Erodex plays in driving this technology forward. Join us on this journey to discover how Wire EDM is shaping the future of precision cutting and transforming the landscape of modern manufacturing. Wire EDM might sound complex, but its principles are surprisingly elegant. Imagine a thin, electrically charged wire acting as a cutting tool. This wire never actually touches the workpiece. Instead, it creates a series of controlled electrical discharges or sparks in a submerged liquid dielectric. The dielectric fluid serves two primary purposes. It acts as an insulator between the wire and the workpiece, preventing a short circuit. Simultaneously, it helps to control the discharges and flush away the eroded particles. These sparks generate intense heat, vaporizing tiny portions of the material and achieving incredibly precise cuts.
Traditional machining methods often struggle with hard materials and intricate designs. Wire EDM surpasses these limitations, offering a range of advantages. One key advantage is its ability to cut extremely hard materials with ease. This is because the cutting process is not based on mechanical force but on thermal erosion. Wire EDM also excels in creating complex shapes and intricate details. The thin wire can navigate tight corners and intricate geometries that would be impossible for traditional cutting tools to achieve. This makes it ideal for industries requiring high precision and intricate designs, such as aerospace, medical, and tooling.
Erodex has established itself as a leading provider of high-quality consumables and expertise for Wire EDM. With a steadfast commitment to precision and innovation, Erodex empowers businesses to achieve exceptional results. Their comprehensive range of products includes EDM wire, filters, resins, wear parts and lubricants, all meticulously engineered to meet the industry's highest standards. Erodex understands that the success of any EDM operation hinges on the quality of its consumables. Their team of experts works closely with clients to understand their unique needs and provide tailored solutions that optimize performance and efficiency. Erodex is more than just a supplier. They are a trusted partner committed to helping businesses achieve excellence in precision engineering.
Section 5. Applications of Wire EDM across industries. The versatility of Wire EDM is evident in its wide range of applications across various industries. This technology has revolutionized the way we approach manufacturing, offering unparalleled precision and efficiency. In aerospace, wire EDM is crucial for manufacturing complex components like turbine blades and fuel injectors that demand extreme precision. The ability to cut intricate shapes and fine details makes it indispensable for this industry, where safety and performance are paramount. The medical industry relies on wire EDM for creating intricate medical devices like stents and surgical instruments. These devices require the highest levels of accuracy and reliability, and wire EDM delivers just that, ensuring patient safety and effective treatment outcomes. The automotive industry utilizes wire EDM for producing complex molds and dies used in the manufacturing of intricate parts. From engine components to transmission parts, the precision of wire EDM ensures that each piece fits perfectly, contributing to the overall performance and safety of vehicles. Tooling applications leverage wire EDM's ability to create precise punches, dies, and molds for various manufacturing processes. This precision tooling is essential for producing high-quality products in a cost-effective manner, making wire EDM a cornerstone in modern manufacturing. From aerospace to medical, automotive to tooling, wire EDM is at the forefront of innovation, enabling the creation of products that were once unimaginable. Its ability to produce complex and precise components has opened new possibilities across industries, driving advancements and setting new standards in manufacturing excellence. Section 6. Key components and consumables, the heart of the operation. The success of any wire EDM operation relies heavily on the quality and performance of its key components and consumables. These components are the backbone of the entire process, ensuring that each cut is precise and efficient. At the heart of the process lies the EDM wire, a thin, electrically charged wire responsible for the erosion process. This wire is not just any wire, it is meticulously engineered to handle the demands of high-precision cutting. Erodex offers a wide range of EDM wires specifically designed for different materials and applications. Whether you are working with hard metals or softer alloys, there is an EDM wire tailored to meet your needs. Another critical component is the dielectric fluid, which acts as an insulator and flushing agent. This fluid is essential for maintaining the stability of the electrical discharge and for removing debris from the cutting area. Erodex provides high-quality dielectric fluids formulated to optimize cutting speed, accuracy, and surface finish. These fluids are designed to work seamlessly with the EDM wires, enhancing the overall performance of the machine. Additionally, filters play a crucial role in maintaining the cleanliness of the dielectric fluid, ensuring optimal cutting performance and extended machine life. Clean dielectric fluid is vital for preventing contamination and ensuring that the EDM process runs smoothly. Section 7. Testimonials. Real-world success with Erodex. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from the satisfied customers who have witnessed the Erodex difference firsthand.
Since switching to Erodex's EDM wire, we've seen a significant improvement in our cutting speed and accuracy. The quality of their products is unmatched.
A tool and die maker adds,
Erodex's technical expertise and support have been invaluable to our operations. Their team helped us optimize our EDM process, resulting in significant cost savings and improved efficiency.
These testimonials underscore Erodex's commitment to customer satisfaction and their dedication to providing high-quality products and services. Section 8. Innovation, the driving force behind excellence. In the ever-evolving world of manufacturing, innovation is paramount. Erodex recognizes this and invests heavily in research and development to remain at the forefront of wire EDM technology. Their team of engineers and scientists continuously explores new materials, designs, and processes to enhance the performance and capabilities of their products.
Erodex's commitment to innovation ensures that their customers benefit from the latest advancements in wire EDM, allowing them to push the boundaries of precision engineering and achieve even greater levels of accuracy, efficiency, and quality in their manufacturing operations.
Section 9. Join the precision revolution with Erodex. As we've explored, wire EDM is transforming the manufacturing landscape, enabling the creation of products that were once deemed impossible. Erodex, with its unwavering commitment to precision and innovation, is a driving force behind this revolution. They empower businesses across various industries to achieve new heights in precision engineering. If you're looking to unlock the full potential of wire EDM, Erodex is your trusted partner. Contact us today to learn more about our comprehensive range of products, services, and how we can help you achieve exceptional results in your manufacturing operations. Let's embark on a journey of precision together.